So a mushroom curry, well, not really a mushroom curry, more of a mushroom spicy fry really. Absolutely delicious, healthy, easy, vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is really simple. What we have here is 300 grams of fresh mushrooms. I've cut them up into quarters and they're fairly chunky. Cut it really thin if you want, if you fancy it that way. 1 large tomato, 1 cup of onion, fresh chili to taste, up to you if you want to put that in at all, in fact. The big 4, so 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, coriander, cumin, chili powder. 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. Today I'm going to be using coconut oil. That's about it. It's super, super easy. So you're going to need a wok, frying pan, saucepan, up to you. I've got my oil in there. That's coconut oil that's just melting down. High heat, keep the heat up high. I'm dropping in there 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Let them just do their thing for a few seconds in that oil. Then we're going to drop in 1 cup of onion. To that I'm going to add my fresh chili. I'm going to add salt. High heat all the way now, guys. About 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to drop in that 1 large tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato if you can. The garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to add our powders. Let's take one more look. 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. Stay on this high heat. Let's cook this out now for about 4 to 5 minutes. What I want to do is hopefully break those tomatoes down, and they might even give off a little bit of moisture. So you can see that these tomatoes will cook down beautifully. Now time for 300 grams of mushrooms. And we're going to cook these again on a high heat for about 5 minutes, and they will give off some moisture as well. So it looks really dry at the moment. We want it fairly dry anyway. But yeah, they're going to give off some mushrooms give off, certain mushrooms give off certain amounts of water. These are going to give off some for sure. So dry fry, 5 minutes. See you then. Keep it moving. Beautiful. So you see, as it's cooked, some moisture's come out and it's made it perfect. Off goes the heat. Check it for salt. I'm going to drop in some coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. We're going to give that a little mix. Job done. That is absolutely beautiful. Okay, and there you go. That is just so easy and so lovely. I mean, I really love that. I do. You can have that with some rice. You could have that with some bread. I'm happy to eat it just like that. Really delicious mushroom dry fry curry. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Thumbs up, comments and all that good stuff. Lots of love. All right, thanks very much for making it to this part of the video and making it to the end of the video. Really appreciate all the views that we're getting. Just a little update, we're still living in the Kingdom of Bahrain. We're cooking like crazy. We're doing really well. If you want to subscribe, that would be fantastic, helps us out a lot. Thumbs ups are great, and obviously a comment. If you've got a comment to make, I'll try and get back to you if I can. But yeah, life's pretty good. It's not so hot at the moment. It's kind of cooled down a bit. Bahrain is absolutely beautiful, and this part of the world is beautiful when it comes to winter. It's cooling down and it's lovely. See you later.